Now I'll just be showing you how to do some simple button audio in your Unity projects. So what I've got set up is I have a scene with a canvas and a button, and I've done a simple audio controller that just looks like this. It's a basic static class with just a play audio clip function we're going to use. And what we're just going to do here is pass through a clip to play, a volume, and a pitch. Now you can set this up however you want. This is just for the sake of simplicity since this isn't an audio tutorial. So we're going to go to our scripts. We're going to create a script called button audio. And for this tutorial, we're going to store the audio clips in the button. But if you're making a bigger project, it'll be a good idea to have your proper audio system to store the clips and just reference them. But for now, open up your button audio. And here we're going to use iPointer. Let's see. iPointer enter handler, iPointer exit handler, and iPointer down handler. So this is when your mouse enters the button, when your mouse exits the button, and when your mouse clicks on the button. And now we're going to implement these functions, which are all going to spawn in there. And now we're just going to make a public audio clip, and we'll just call it hover audio and click audio. And what we're going to do in this tutorial is play the same clip for entering and exiting. We'll just change the volume and the pitch. So here in click audio on iPointer down, we're going to just reference audio controller dot instance dot play audio clip, and we're going to pass through click audio. Our volume we'll just say 1, and our pitch we will just say 1. And then we'll just do similar for here. You can copy paste the function, and here in enter we're going to change the audio audio, maybe make this 0.7 so it's a bit quieter, 0.7 F. And here for exit we'll make it even more quieter, and you'll see in a second, and we'll lower the pitch a bit, and it'll make it sound like 2 different audio clips. So now once we have this done, we're going to go back into Unity, wait for that to load, and our audio controller's there, our canvas, my button, and I'm just going to drag this script onto our button. And for the audio clips themselves, I'm just using 2 clips from the Kenny pack here, just to showcase them. So you can use whatever clips you want. But we see here in our hover audio, we have select 2 and select 3. So let's see what they sound like. There we go. Now when we go here into Unity, see enter, exit, and click. So yeah, this is just very simple, but this is how you can set up your own button audio. And now let's say for example you have a central controller where you just reference this, and let's say your function is just, you know, audio dot play hover clip or something. Then you can just drag this onto every button in the game and it'll work. Otherwise, if you want to keep it referenced, you can use different audio for different buttons in the game, etc. But yeah, that's just simple, the 3 functions you want to do for button audio in your game. So yeah, thanks for watching.